Hi, this is Mike at Fusco Orsini Associates. In today's video, I want to talk about the price of commercial inland marine insurance for contractors. Now, we find that inland marine tends to be one of the more overlooked insurance policies that can provide great protection and value for our construction industry clients. In previous videos, I talk about how inland marine can protect your business. In today's video, I want to talk about the pricing. So there's different sections of an inland marine policy. One of the more widely used sections is the miscellaneous tools and small equipment. These are items that are valued at $1,500 or less, grouped together to get a sum valuation. And the insurance company typically charges around 4% of the combined value for all your small tools and equipment for the insurance. 4% for small tools and equipment. Now, scheduled tools and equipment, items that we would schedule on the policy that are valued at $1,500 or more, typically your larger items. Some examples would be a bobcat, skid steer, maybe saws, things of that nature, welders. We would list the year, make, model, and serial number, and the insurance company charges around 1%. So 1% of the valuation for that coverage. Other items to consider is your rented or leased equipment. If you go into companies to rent or lease items for short periods of time, you're probably paying a waiver to protect that equipment to the rental yard. We can add that to an inland marine policy and typically save good amount of money over an annual period of time to cover it on that policy for you. Also, installation floater is a big one. If you have materials in your care, custody, and control waiting to be installed on a job site, we can cover those materials on an inland marine policy to protect you. So the inland marine policies that we write at the agency here they're very good. They're written on replacement cost valuation, special form, favorable co-insurance clauses. So we can help you lower deductibles. We can help you and explain that to you if you give us a call, if you'd like a proposal or to speak more about your inland marine insurance. Our number here is 858-384-1506. Now, keep in mind, minimum premiums do apply to inland marine programs. We find the lowest minimum premiums out there are around $750 or so. So if you're doing the math in your head and you're realizing, well, oh, wow, I can get an inland marine policy for $200 or $300. Well, the insurance carriers have minimum premiums. They're not going to go below a certain amount of coverage of premium for the coverage. In a lot of cases, that's why we'd like to speak to you and see if there's other items we can add if you're below the minimum premium to get you up to that level so you get the most value for your dollar. Again, you can reach us at 858-384-1507. You can email me directly at mike@foagency.com. I'll be happy to put you in touch with one of our agents and get you started on the inland marine proposal. Thank you very much for your time. We look forward to seeing you. Take care.